Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn a very easy recipe of vegetable vermicelli. So the ingredients which we need for it are some chopped garlic, some chopped chilies, chopped onion, chopped carrot, chopped capsicum, chopped potatoes, chopped tomatoes, and pre-roasted vermicelli. In a pan, add 2 cups of water. I'm using 2 cups of water for 1 cup of pre-roasted vermicelli. Then add a pinch of salt. Stir. To that, add the pre-roasted vermicelli for it to boil. So if you don't have pre-roasted vermicelli, then you can take the vermicelli in a pan and roast it in little butter. Now boil it until soft, around 2-3 minutes. And then drain the extra water. In a pan, take half a tablespoon of oil. Add in some chopped garlic. Some chopped chilies. Saute it till it leaves its fragrance. Then add some chopped onion. Saute until translucent. To this, add some chopped carrot and some chopped potatoes. Now I'm adding it at an early stage for it to cook well, especially the potatoes. Now add some chopped capsicum and then saute all this together. Let it cook for around 1 minute. To this, add some chopped tomatoes. Now make sure that the pulp of the tomatoes are intact. And then again saute it all together. Saute for around 1 more minute. 1.5 minutes or so. To this, add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Then 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and then mix it all well. Now cook this for around 2 minutes. The vegetables need to be cooked properly. To this, add 3/4 cup of water. And then put on the lid on medium flame. Let it simmer for around a minute or 2 until the vegetables cook. And there you go, the vegetables have cooked properly, as we can see here. To this, add the boiled vermicelli and then mix it all. For some extra flavor, I'll be using some black pepper powder here. So I've used half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and then mix it all again. And there you go, the vegetable vermicelli is ready to be served. It is a great meal and it is very low in calories. So I'll meet you in the next video with another healthy recipe. Till then, bye, take care.